We want to save the lives of people. We are neither doctors nor pharmacists. We are young, inspiring sport thinkers from the team Blooming Sport. My name is Odin Lee. Even in this moment, while we are having a great time, many people are dying on the road from car accidents. And one of the prime factors for car accidents today is selective driving, which causes 25% of the total motor vehicle crashes. And on highways, where people usually drive long distances while passing boring scenery, fatalities caused by the lack of sleep account for 35% of the total death toll. Sleep, death, sleep, death. Many people are dying on the roads now, and the human lives are being wasted. We should wake drivers up. We have to make them awake while driving. How? The solution lies on sport. According to science, a moderately intensive sport releases some natural hormones called cortisol, adrenaline, and norepinephrine from our bodies, which increase heart rate, muscle strength, and sugar metabolism. In other words, these hormones help us perform physical activity well, but also make us hard to sleep. So, if we can make these hormones activated in the bodies of the fatigued drivers, we would see a positive result. Here is a practical and real example. 17 rest areas in South Korea have batting cages. And according to government-supported research, those with batting cages have dragged down the fatalities on the neighboring highways up to 50% in the past 2 years. 50%! Just a few baseball batting cages have made this big result. Then, what if there is a fitness center or gymnasium with various sporting facilities to draw more participation from drivers? It must be insanely fantastic. Why? Because a higher rate of participation obviously means waking up more drivers and saving more lives. Therefore, we, Blooming Sport, suggest an ingenious idea called the Highway Gym. The Highway Gymnasium. We dream of an innovative transformation that turns highway rest areas into gymnasiums. Rest areas will not be the place where people stop to smoke and to pick up some snacks. Instead, drivers will exercise there and will kick away sleepiness through various sports such as table tennis, bowling, golf. As a result, the fatalities on highways caused by the drowsy driving would plummet to the ground. With highway gym comes a safer society and the better tomorrow. Let me tell you briefly about how we can proceed in this project. The step to the highway gym goes as follows. First, cooperation. Second, participation. Third, better tomorrow. Cooperation occurs between highway gym and the local companies. Sporting facility constructors and engineers would be willing to join in this project as a semi-permanent partner to contract with highway gym. At the same time, sports gear manufacturers would sponsor highway gym with their products as a way of promotion. In a sense of second step, participation, highway gym administration would advertise themselves freely to attract more drivers, whilst the drowsy drivers would treat themselves with various sporting facilities and wake themselves up. A win-win situation for everyone involved. Once highway gym appears, we will definitely see a dramatic decrease in fatalities and will get to know how sport can save human lives. Ladies and gentlemen, all of us are fully aware of the fact that the human life is the most invaluable resource that we should save by any measure. Also, we all know that many people are dying on the roads from car accidents, many of which are caused by dozing off. And one of them could be our family member, friend, neighbor, co-worker, and even the person right next to us. Will we ignore this tragedy? Surely not. We must make the pledge to always march ahead, and now is the time to build a safer society. Let the torch of safety pass on to our children and the future generations. Let all of us invoke the wonders of sport to save human lives. There is little we cannot do, and there is little sport cannot accomplish. Together, let us go forth from this time in place with high vision. With high vision, let sport light up tomorrow, contributing to the safer and better society. Thank you.